Hello and welcome to the IT Academy. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for great content. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use the autocorrect and autocomplete features in Microsoft Word. The autocorrect feature makes your work easier by automatically correcting spelling errors as you type. Autocomplete, on the other hand, is a feature which predicts the rest of a word once you start typing. Let's see how it works. Supposing I'm typing a document and I make a mistake. Say I want to type the word THE and I type TEH. The moment I press the space bar, the word will be corrected. And let's say I also type this word, orange, but I type it with a J. When I press the space bar, it gets corrected. And I also type this word. I want to type drink, but I type DRING. When I press the space bar, it corrects it. If I type EATT, what if I type banana like this? It doesn't correct it, okay? So some words are corrected and others are not corrected. And also, if I'm typing a new line, let's say a sentence should begin with a capital, and I start with a small letter. Welcome to, you see, the moment I press the space bar, the W becomes capital, that I should have started with a capital letter. And if I also type this, W-E, the E should be small letter. Come. Once I press the space bar, it corrects it. So some words are corrected, others are not corrected. Why is it so? Why are some corrected and others not? To find out, we have to go to the autocorrect settings. So I click on File, and then I go to Options, and then I click on Proofing, and then I go to Autocorrect Options. So let's see. You see, this is a collection of common spelling mistakes that people make. So it's all been put here. If the mistake you make is on this list, it will be corrected. If your mistake is not on this list, then it will not be corrected. A lot of possible mistakes are put here. You can see if somebody types absence this way, it's going to correct it this way. If you type about, you see, it's going to correct it. So that's the only time it will work. You can also add your entry. For instance, the banana it was not correcting. I can make it to be part of the list. If I type, say, banana, you see that somebody types double N here, you should correct it to banana. And then I click add. See, I've added it to the list of possible errors. So I click add and OK and OK. So if I type banana and press spacebar, you see it has corrected it. So that is how the autocorrect feature works. Now you can use this feature to your advantage. For instance, let's say you're working for a company or a project, and the company's name is very long. On most of your documents, you have to type the name of the company, and it's very long. You can use this feature to make a shortcut out of it. Let me explain what I mean. Supposing the name of the company is the Project Management Consultants and Financiers. You see, this is a long word to type, especially if on every paragraph you have to type the same thing, every document. We can make a shortcut of it by simply going to File, Options, Proof, Autocorrects. So I want to tell the system that each time I type TTT, it should replace it with the Project management, and okay, let's make management consultants and finance and CS Incorporated. So each time I type TTT, this will come. So I'm going to add it and then click OK. OK. So let's say I type TTT. The moment I press the space bar, you see, it has done it. So that is that. What if I type TTT and there's actually something called TTT, maybe a product's name or a product number? Will it change it to the project's the company name? Let's try it. TTT. And I press space bar. It has changed it, but I actually want to type TTT. So what I do is I go to the beginning of the sentence. You see there's a box here. I click on it and change it back to TTT. You see it? This is what I do. I click on it, change it back to TTT, and then it is back. So that you don't have to lose any time. You spend typing what you want to type. So that is the autocorrect feature, which we sometimes use to our advantage in other areas. The other topic is about autocomplete. Okay, the autocomplete feature is very simple and very helpful. If you don't know about it, you may skip it. So let's see how it works. Say you want to type January, J-A-N-U. You see that it brings a box that, are you trying to type this? So it predicts what you're trying to type. So if that is what you're trying to type, you simply press enter. You see it. That's all. Let's say December. D-E-C-E. You see it? It brings December. Okay, that's what I want to type. Some words may not display. Let's say it's usually names of the days, names of months, etc. So once you type the letter or the word and it is giving you a prediction, you want that word, okay. But supposing you're trying to type octopus. You see, I'm trying to type octopus, O-C-T-O. It gives me October. Sorry, I don't want October. I want octopus. So you just keep on typing, P-U-S. You see it? But if at the time you get to T-O and it gives you October and that is what you want, just press enter and you are there. Okay, so that is how we use the autocorrects and autocomplete features. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.